Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the 75 and 85-inch QN800B series Samsung Neo QLED TVs. First things first, you're going to want to take the box off, and then from there's two styrofoam pieces on the sides. You're going to pop those off and slide them underneath the bottom of the TV, or sort of on the edges of the bottom piece of styrofoam. That's going to help stabilize the TV. Then you're going to move around to the back, and there's going to be a styrofoam piece in the middle, kind of a longer styrofoam piece, and that you're going to lift up and out to expose the screw holes to actually mount the pedestal to. So here are all of the parts that you're going to need for the assembly of the pedestal. You've got the bottom plate, then you have a plate that's going to hold the One Connect box, and finally the piece that's going to attach to the back of the TV along with 3 packs of M4 by L12 screws. And then it's not included in the box, but you will need a Phillips screwdriver. The first thing you're going to want to do is take this plate that's going to hold the One Connect box and line up the slot on the bottom with this top piece on the bottom plate. Be sure there is a little piece of silver tape right here, and don't remove that. I'm not totally sure why, but in the instructions it says not to remove that. And now we're just going to slide this down. And there are 4 screw holes, 2 here, that should line up. And you're going to put 1 packet of screws into those 4. Now that we've got the base assembled, we're going to take our final part, which is this sort of triangular piece. And it has 2 hooks on the back that are going to line up with these 2 slots on the back of the television. And that'll hold it in place, and then you can take your 4 more screws and tighten them down to attach this to the back. Be patient with this one because they take a little bit of doing to get in. Now that we've got this piece attached, we're going to push this styrofoam piece through, and then we're going to take the piece that we assembled prior, and this little slot right here is going to hook onto this hook at the top. Now that we've got this piece attached, there's going to be 4 holes up here at the top. There is sort of a tape in there that you're going to have to break through, but you push the screws through and then tighten those down. Now you're going to take your One Connect box and you're going to plug your power cable into the bottom of it, and then you can run the remainder in this little ridge along the bottom. And then you've got a little tiny tab here that's going to fit into a little notch here at the bottom of the back plate on the TV, and that you kind of slide down into place and then lower the top part on. You sort of want to push it in a little bit to make sure it sticks on there. And then after this, we're going to take our One Connect cord, the shorter One Connect cord, and we're going to plug it into the top here and plug it into the back of the TV. Now once you're done plugging in any connections that you want, any of your HDMI's, USBs, we're going to take this last piece, and this tab right here is going to line up with a little notch out of the side of the One Connect box, and then you have 2 little tabs here and here that are going to go into these little rubber stoppers on the back of the stand. And that's how you assemble and install the pedestal for a 75 or 85-inch QN800B series from Samsung. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.